Offline printer. Let's learn how to solve it now. The first step to solve this problem with the offline printer, you will click here in the Start menu and type Control Panel. You'll get the same thing. Then click up here on the Control Panel icon here. Now you go to Devices and Printers. Find the printer you want to resolve. In my case, this one. Find it. Right click on it and click on Properties. Then look, click here, Web Services. Keep an eye on this IP number on your machine. Write it down. That's the first step. You can close it. Second step now, to solve this offline printer problem, you go to the Start menu once again. Now type in Printers. Click on Printers and Scanner. Okay, now go here to add printer or scanner, just so it updates here. Maybe it doesn't show you your printer. If it has, that's fine. But you'll have to check and find it. Mine is here, HP. Click on it. Click on Open Queue. That's it. Now come here, printer. Properties. And now you'll come to Ports. Right. Now here's what you're going to do. Find your printer here. For that number I told you about. Do you remember it? See if you can find that IP number here. Then you select your printer and apply it by clicking OK. Now, if you can't find it, go to this button here. Add port, and take a look now to see if you can find your printer in this area. Mine already is. Everything's fine. So I won't need to. Then click on New Port. Then you confirm. OK, and apply. Apply and OK. Right? If it worked for you, let us know in the comments. Test if it worked. Put it on paper so I can understand it. If not, I'll make other videos on this subject. If they're already available, you can watch them here on the screen. Or in the meantime, check out these other important videos. Also, the ways to contribute to the channel will all be there in the description. See you in the next videos, and until then.